Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel SK Mr. Chemistry Classes. Today's we started chemical calculations which are based upon chemical equations or chemical reactions. That is, first of all we know to balance the chemical equation and how we write the chemical reactions. It is very necessary to solve these questions. So here chemical on the basis of chemical equations are there. These are following five types. Okay, this number one is calculation based upon mole concept. Second one is based on mole mass. Third one is calculation based on mass. Fourth, calculations based on mass volume. Fifth, calculations based on volume. Today's we discuss all of five types of relations and solve some questions, numericals. So first one is calculation based on mole. Now the first question is, if 2.5 mole of O2 react with excess of H2, then calculate the number of moles of water molecules formed. Okay, to solve this type of question, first of all we know how to write the chemical reactions. Here the reaction between O2 and H2, this formed water molecule. That is, the reaction is H2 plus half O2 forms H2O, or two H2 plus O2 forms 2H2O. Now it is the balanced chemical reaction. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Here number of moles of H2 is 2, number of moles of O2 is 1. That is, 1 mole of O2 react with excess of 2 mole of H2 forms 2 mole of H2O. In this question, if 2.5 mole of O2 react with excess of H2, then calculate the moles of water molecule. If 2.5 mole of O2 react with H2, then find the number of water molecule, that is H2O. It is question mark. Okay. Okay, there is some problem. I will repeat again. Okay, there is some problem. I will repeat again. That is, the chemical balance equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. That is, 2 mole of H2 react with 1 mole of O2 form 2 mole of H2O. Now in this question, if 2.5 mole of O2, okay, react with excess of H2, then calculate the number of moles of water molecule. It is a relation, that is, 1 mole O2 gives 2 mole of H2O. It is clear from here. 1 mole of O2 react with 2 mole of H2 formed 2 mole of H2O. Is that clear? Similarly, if 2.5 mole of H2 react 2.5 mole of O2 react with excess of H2, then water molecule is formed. That is 2.5 into 2. That is, water molecule formed, mole of H2O equal to 2.5 into 2 equal to 5 mole of H2O. It is the answer. Next, second type of question, calculation based on mole mass. That is, here the relation between mole and mass, any molar mass. Okay, question is, If 6 mole of H2 react with excess of N2, then calculate the mass of ammonia formed. Okay, 6 mole of H2 react with excess of N2, then calculate the mass of ammonia formed. First of all, we write the chemical reaction. Step first. Now the chemical reaction is N2 plus 3H2 now the chemical reaction is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, that is 1 mole of N2 react with 3 mole of H2 formed 2 mole of ammonia. Is that clear? Here the relation between moles and mass, that is molar mass, we can take in a gram molar mass or in kilogram molar mass. Question is that is 3 mole of H2, mass of 3 mole of H2 is, mass of 1 mole of H2 is H, molecular weight of H2 is 1 into 2, 2 3 ja 6. Molecular weight of ammonia is NH3, nitrogen, atomic weight of nitrogen is 14, hydrogen 3, 14 plus 3 17, that is 34. Okay, that is 3 mole of H2 formed, और मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ, और we can write 3 mole of H2 formed 34 gram of ammonia molecule, 34 gram of ammonia, that is 3 mole of H2 formed 34 gram of ammonia. In this question asked that 6 mole of hydrogen formed how much ammonia. It is a very simple equation. 3 mole of hydrogen formed 2 mole of ammonia, or we can say that 3 mole of H2 formed 34 gram of ammonia, then 6 mole of hydrogen formed. Simple equation is here. Okay, that is 2 mole of H2 react with nitrogen form 34 gram of ammonia. So 6 mole of H2 react with nitrogen formed 34 into 6 divided by 2, 2 3 ja 6, so 3 multiplied by 34, that is 102 gram of ammonia. That is the correct answer is 102 gram of ammonia formed. Why? 6 mole of H2 react with excess of nitrogen molecule. It is the answer. Next, third type is calculation based on mass relationship. So in this questions, these type of questions, we converted the moles into molar mass or in molecular mass. So first of all, we write the chemical equations, then we write the number of moles, then we converted number of moles into molecular mass or in molar mass. So here is the question is that how many grams of iron will be converted into its oxide when it reacts with 8 gram water vapors. Okay. So first of all, we write the chemical equations between the iron and it is converted into the oxide. That is the how we can convert the iron into its oxide. React with 18 gram of water vapors. Reactants are given in this reaction. How many grams of iron will be converted into oxide when it reacts with 18 gram of water vapors? That is here the reaction is between the iron and water vapors. It forms iron oxide. So the chemical reaction is, now the chemical reaction between iron and water vapors is Fe plus H2O formed iron oxide. Iron oxide are 3 types: FeO, Fe2O3 and Fe3O4. Here saturated iron oxide is Fe3O4 formed plus H2. Okay, I will write again it. Fe plus H2O formed Fe3O4 plus H2. Now balance this equation. Here Fe is 3, so multiplied by iron by 3. O4, oxygen here is 4, so water molecule multiplied by 4, it forms 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus balance the hydrogen H2, 4H2 here, so we multiply here, product side is 4H2. Now the number of moles of Fe is 3, water vapors is 4, iron oxide is 1, H2 is 4. Okay, how many grams of Fe will be converted into its oxide when it reacts with 18 gram of water vapor? That is, we convert the iron and water vapors into gram. 3 mole of iron converted into grams, that is 3 multiplied by atomic weight. Atomic weight of iron is 56. It is equal to 168 gram. 4 moles of H2O equal to molecular weight of H2O is 72. 72 is multiplied by 4, that is 72 gram. 72 gram of water vapors react with 168 gram iron. In this question, when 18 gram of water vapors react with how many grams of iron, it is question mark. It is simple equation, that is 72 gram of water vapors react with 168 gram iron, then 18 gram of water vapors react with how many grams of iron. Converted into, that is 72 gram of water vapor react with 168 gram, then 18 gram of react with 168 divided by 72 into 18. Now we solve it. It is equal to 42 gram of iron. That is 42 gram of iron will be convert its oxide when it reacts with 18 gram of water vapors. Next question is,